All right, now that we've got the leaves finished up the way we want them to, we're going to flip it over. We're going to look here at this leaf right here that is directly opposite of my little triangle here, which is this guy here. So we're going to flip him over, being this guy. What we're going to do is we're going to fold him this way, like so. But we're not going to just fold it. We're going to rabbit ear this, like so. It's not wanting to do it correctly. I might have to finagle it just a little bit to get the perfect little rabbit ear for it. There you go. As it comes down, there we are, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of open this guy up just a little bit. And this piece of fold right here, we're going to open it up like this, force it out till this little triangle piece comes out right here. And this is going to be our piece that we're going to work with for the majority of the rest of this.